In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site shortcuts on Brave browser. When you open Brave, you'll notice the Start page, also called the New Tab page. This is the screen that shows up every time you open a new tab or launch the browser. Along with the background image and stats, you'll usually see a row of website tiles or icons. These are your shortcuts, and they let you jump to your favorite sites with a single click instead of typing the address every time. To get started, make sure you're actually on the New Tab page. If you're not, just open a new tab by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser window. Once you're there, look toward the middle or lower part of the page where the existing site tiles appear. Depending on your current settings, you might see a few recommended or frequently visited sites, or it might look fairly empty. Now, to add a new shortcut manually, look for a tile or button that says something like Add Shortcut or has a plus sign inside an empty tile. Go ahead and click that. A small window will pop up asking for a name and a URL. In the name field, type the label you want to see on the shortcut. This can be the site's name or anything that helps you recognize it quickly. In the URL field, type or paste the full web address of the site you want, including the beginning part like HTTPS. Taking a moment to double-check the address here will save you from broken shortcuts later. Once both fields look good, click the Confirm or Save button in that window. You should now see your new shortcut tile appear alongside the others on the New Tab page. From now on, whenever you open a new tab, you can just click that tile to go straight to the site. If you'd like to rearrange your shortcuts, many versions of Brave let you click and drag a tile to a new position. Just press and hold on the shortcut, move it where you want it, and release. This is helpful for keeping your most used sites in the first row. If you ever find that shortcuts aren't showing at all, you can open Brave's new tab settings and make sure the option to display site shortcuts or top sites is turned on. That way, your custom shortcuts will always be visible and easy to access.